In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Zenka app. So if you're receiving a lot of pop-up notifications or alerts from this app, then let me show you how you can put an end to this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, for you to stop these notifications, you need to go ahead and access the app info page. To do that, just go to your settings. And from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now from apps, look for manage apps or all apps. Now this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app. And you can see my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search your app using the search bar here. Now, if you tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app, then long press on it, and here you can see we have app info. So if you tap on it, it will again take us to the same app info page. Now at this point, go ahead and find permissions section, and under it you should now see notifications. As you can see, all notifications are on, and that's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.